Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be tackling a tutorial you've all been asking for, how to add a new workflow to a project in Jira. By the end of this video, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to create and implement a fresh and effective workflow, truly tailored to the specific needs of your project. Dive into tutorial. All right, let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do, and this is step number 1, is to go to our settings. This is usually located in your sidebar or toolbar in Jira. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once we're inside the settings, we're looking for work items. This is essentially where you'll find anything related to your tasks or tickets. Go ahead and select that. This should open up a new window which will show you all your current work items. Moving on to step 2 now. Within the work items page, you'll find an option called workflows. Consider the workflow as the soul of your project. It guides every task from its creation until its completion. Click on that workflows option. In this workflows window, there's an option to add workflow. This is where the magic happens, folks. Find that button and click it. Right, on to step 3, and this is where it gets a bit more creative, where we flex our Jira muscles. Now, the interface will let you build your new workflow from scratch. You can tailor this completely to your project's specific needs. Remember, workflows are unique for every project, so your workflow should be a reflection of your process and not a one-size-fits-all solution. Decide what statuses you want to include, the transitions between them. The sky's the limit. Take your time with this, as this step involves a bit of planning. Go over your project requirements and visualize how your tasks or tickets will move from creation to closure. After you've built your workflow, and remember, there's no rush on this, you're going to go ahead and hit Publish Draft. This step is around automating your workflow and making it ready for use. So moving on to our final step. Go back to your project and choose the new workflow you've just built to use with it. This is a crucial step because it tells the project to now follow this newly defined workflow for all the future tasks. And voila! You have successfully added a new workflow to your project. Outro. All right, everyone, that sums up our step-by-step tutorial on how to add a new workflow to your Jira project. Remember, your workflow is your roadmap, so make sure it reflects your project journey accurately. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and give us a like. For any doubts or questions, feel free to drop a comment below. We always love hearing from you. And of course, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tutorials just like this one. Until next time.